sand this and put the floor, the beams, so one here and one here. Gonna replace them, well, put new ones. And I think we're gonna keep this because we can guide the level from here to there and see how it is. But if not, it looks solid for now, but once we put those things, we can make a decision on those. But we can level from here to there and make sure they're same height. Yeah. Obviously more sanding. More sanding. Hi, my name is Vikendas and this is Caprice 19-foot sailing boat what I'm restoring. Thanks for watching. All good Milwaukee. I wish they sponsored me. If anyone want to donate some tools, please just email. I got this 2 pieces of oak. We got these old beams, cloth, whatever. So we're gonna make template and we're gonna do a little bit bigger, what we can ferret the right size. Easy. Let's see here. Beautiful. And seamless pencil. Perfect job. Once we got basic shape, we can work with it. So, number one. And nice. Obviously, this little bit bevel there on the side, so we can work it on. Easy. Chopin. We need to take that off. 1 and 2. Adjusting. This is pretty good, this one. Let me take off the edges. Okay. gonna make level, whatever it is, and bed in the silica. The same as this. There's that. Bang on. So how I know this? Because I know this is level, and this is already on a boat and tuck in. I'm gonna follow this, that level, and that. Clean it up. Right, so we've got this first. Butter up. Just wanna stick to begin, and we can fiberglass around it later on. And my level. Zero. Right, double check the level. Zero again. Now repeat this one. Oh, like this. Beautiful. Good floor. Now wait till it dries, hardens, and we're gonna start walking out. What this is the level. We always can adjust it. You know, I can cut there, could shorten up, and run same like that. So we got floors in, and just glued with epoxy. We're gonna leave as it is now, and I'm gonna make floors and to help to stand up and work. Carry on. So let's do some measurements. As we making just floor, we don't need anything special. 1/12. Oh, we got some plywood. Here. Wood 1/12. Fine, from there to there.
let's see if it fits. Awesome. Awesome. So, it's just temporary and gonna help us to work area, because next step is we're gonna start building bulkheads, whatever it's called. And yeah, to stand is perfect. Easy. See you next time. Thanks for watching. And if you got any advice, just leave me a comment below. And next video, we shall start planning where it's gonna happen, what. Maybe some layout inside the boat. So yeah, keep watching.